We used AI to pre-launch our eco plant-based activewear brand, and we immediately regretted it. Some of you may remember this post. It got about 64,000 views on it and lots of really insightful feedback, which we ended up taking on. And that ultimately delayed our product launch by almost a year. We're now finally in production and ready to go to market, but we wanted to explain why we used AI in the first place, what we learned, and why we ultimately steered away from the technology. Firstly, it made absolutely no sense with what we were launching. Our product is a world-first plant-based activewear. Tim, our CEO and textile pioneer, has been working on developing a patent-pending yarn for the past 2+ years, and we wanted to bring this innovation to market first, as we could see the demand for plastic-free activewear alternatives grow, and no one quite yet solving it entirely. The Nort fibre system isn't a cotton blend mixed with some elastin. This is a brand new category altogether. It's a performance-grade material that acts like synthetic activewear without using petroleum-based chemically processed materials. The reason why we made the choice to build a campaign story using AI was because we didn't have the product yet. Our goal was to raise enough capital via a crowdfunding Kickstarter campaign to be able to make a real impact. And because we didn't yet have the physical product, we thought we could generate the prototype using AI. At that time, early 2025, AI was looking promising for small businesses and startups with budget constraints. And we fell into that category. But after testing the concept out in the wild, we got some pretty interesting feedback from you guys. These are some of the messages on our post. There were other issues we were having with the AI agency we were using, which I'll explain in more detail in another post, but ultimately we made the decision to pull the campaign entirely and go back to the drawing board. It wasn't an easy decision because we needed the funds to develop the innovation, but also make it affordable and accessible to everybody. As you can imagine, doing something like this for the first time takes a few rounds. We have 4 plant-based yarns woven together to create the finished product. There were several rounds of testing different percentages of each yarn to get to the result that we wanted. We wanted a stretch compression fabric made entirely from bio-based materials, aka plants, with antioxidant properties to nourish the skin. Truly a one-of-a-kind alternative to the chemically laced options currently available. We made a mistake using AI, and we course corrected. There is a time and a place for AI, but not for what we're doing. The goal was to bring something revolutionary and affordable to market to make a difference. And I'm proud to say that we did that the ethical way. We'll be posting our brand story on TikTok and product info on Instagram, so please follow along if it's something that you're interested in. We truly want to make a positive impact to the world and the planet, so please keep sharing your feedback. Thank you.